Hello everybody, today we're doing an unboxing of the Pixel 3 XL. Just got that in the mail today, I'm waiting to open it. So let's see what's in the box. Oops. Get this open other side too. There we go. And okay, and there it is. Ka-ching. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh, so sexy. Yep, so that's it. Gonna set this up in a minute, but see what else we got here. We got packaging shit. Let's see. I'm guessing in here you have your little SIM ejector tool, power supply, same thing as always, white. That's their headphones. Look at that. Oh, let's see what's here. Adapter, USB to C, USB-C to A. This is what I was kind of looking forward to. Ka-ching. USB Type-C. Cool. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more videos.